Okay, students, I am going to start the solving the next question, and next question is the question number 66. Okay, Ankit, read the question, beta. Then I will start.
Gautam and Rahul are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in a ratio 2:3.
2:3. Okay.
Their balance sheet 31st March 2020 as follows.
You need to read that. Next.
Karim was to be taken as a partners with effect on the 1st April 2020 on following case. First case. New profit sharing ratio of Gautam, Rahul and Karim would be 5:3:2.
5:3:2 is given. Okay. When new profit sharing ratio is given, then we are going to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Okay. Okay. Next.
Provision for doubtful debts would be raised 20% of
make the revaluation account. Revaluation account. Okay, beta. First is
provision for doubtful debt would be raised 20% of debtor.
Provision on doubtful debts to be
20% of debtor.
20% of debtor. Just see the debtor, beta. Debtor amount in balance sheet amount, beta. 12,000.
Yes, sir.
12,000, 20%. 12,000, 20%, 2,400. 2,400, beta. But old provision is only 2,000. It means we are going to make 400 more. Okay, beta. Old provision is 2,000, and in this question they are saying make the provision up to 20% on debtor, and 20% of debtor, 12,000 is debtor is there, and then 20% of this 12,000 is 2,400, but 2,000 is given the question already. So then we are going to only make how much? 400. 400. Okay, beta. They needed 2,400, 2,000. Already you have 400 new provision. Okay, beta. Okay, next, beta.
Karim would bring in cash his share of capital 40,000 and his share of goodwill value 10,000.
Okay, right now here 40,000 and 10,000.
Goodwill 10,000.
And it's a goodwill. Okay, next.
Gautam would take over the furniture at 22,000.
Furniture at 22,000. Gautam will take that treatment we are doing the capital account. Here only means of revaluation account. Gautam take the furniture. Furniture new value is what? 20,000. The old value of furniture just see in the question. How much?
25,000.
25,000. It means decrease, no beta. It means decrease, and if assets will decrease, to this side we are showing beta.
Debit side.
5,000. The main value of furniture is 25,000, but here they are going to purchase in a 20,000. It means 5,000 loss, and any type of loss in assets we are showing on the debit side. Okay, beta. Next.
Sir passes journal entry at the time of Karim admission and prepare balance sheet.
Furniture taking 22,000 is there, beta. 22,000.
Yes, sir.
It means 3,000. Okay. Nothing else. 3,400. 3,400. It's a loss. A capital and B capital, divide at 2:3. 2:3. Just divide. Divide in 2:3, beta. 2:3. Divide fast, divide fast. 20, 40 and 13, 60 beta. 20, 40 and 13, 60. Okay. This is the revaluation account. Okay. Now we are going to do the entry beta. Cash account debit to K capital to goodwill. Goodwill 10,000, K capital 40,000, total 50,000. Then goodwill distribute. Goodwill account debit to G capital to R capital. In which ratio beta? Just going to calculate the sacrificing ratio, and sacrificing ratio is equal to what beta? Old ratio minus new ratio. Then old ratio is for G 2 upon 5 minus 5 upon 10, and for R 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 10. Okay, and 10 times 4 minus 5. But here again 10, 6 minus 3, 3 upon 10, and here minus 1 upon 10. Okay. It means he is getting, G gaining, and A are sacrificed. Okay, beta. One is gaining and one is sacrificed. Then this entry will change. Okay, beta. One is gaining and one will sacrifice, so the entry will change. Okay, beta. And how this entry will change? Who is gaining there? Also the debit. Goodwill account debit. G capital debit to R capital, because who is sacrificing, they are only getting the goodwill. Okay, beta. I think it's clear now. Who will sacrifice? Who is not sacrificed, they are not taking any type of goodwill. Okay, beta. Here the goodwill amount is 10,000. Okay. Now how we are going to calculate the part of G? How much amount they are take in a business? Because they are also gain. They are gain, then certain they are come with some money as a goodwill. How we are going to calculate? Just see. From 210, 2 by 10 ratio of K. Okay. K for the 210, they are taking 10,000. And he is sacrificing 110. But then he is taking 5,000, just half. Let's calculate. 2 upon 10 in 1 upon 10 into 10,000 upon 1 upon 2 upon 10. It's going on the side. Cut 5. Okay. It's going the 5,000. Write down here 5,000 and total amount is 15,000. On this way we are doing this system. Okay. The new thing is that here G will gain, and the rule is that who will be gaining, they are come with the goodwill, and who will sacrifice, they are going to take the parts of goodwill. Okay, beta? Clear? The revolution is very easy for this question. Only this is the main point. Old provision 2,000, but in the question they are saying make the provision 24,100. So that 400 more we are going to make. So only 400 we are showing. So beta, only 400. Don't go to show the 2,400. In the question they are saying is just create the provision for bad debts 2,400. But here 2,000 or 2,000 already they have. So only we are going to make how much? 400. Okay, beta? That is important. And second is here. G will gain. If any person will gain, they are also come with the, maybe they are old partner, but they are gaining. So sure and certain they will come with the what? Goodwill. Okay, beta? Clear? Everyone? Okay, now I am going for the next question. Okay, beta. Aniket, read the question, beta.
A and B are a partnership share profit sharing losses increased to 2 on 1st April 2019. They admitted C into partnership. He paid 50,000 as capital, but nothing for goodwill.
Next.
Which was valued at 40,000 for the time. He acquired 1/5 share.
40,000. Okay.
He
What is
acquired
saying,
1/5
beta?
share. Sir, he paid 50,000 as capital, but nothing for goodwill, which was valued at 40,000 for a time.
Okay, for the time 40,000 is came. Okay, it means the goodwill part will come 40,000. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Because he's saying
He
na,
acquired,
his part is goodwill is 40,000. Okay, so sure and certain they will come with the 40,000. Okay, next.
he acquired 1/5 share in profit equally from both partners.
1/6
He also did
equally, it means 1/6 by 2, beta.
1/5, sir.
1/5. So 1/5 by 10, 2, it means from both 110 and 110.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Land and building be written off by 20,000. 20,000.
Revaluation account, beta. But always you are doing first new profit sharing ratio, then entry, then revaluation, beta. Okay. Everyone. Okay. Read beta question.
Land and building be written off by 20,000.
Written off by 20,000, beta. By.
Yes, sir.
By 20,000 means just we are going to calculate 20,000 only. Okay. By means that amount, same amount. Then we are written here 20,000 only. Okay. Okay. Next.
Stock be written down by 3,200.
Again by. Then again stock.
3,200. 200.
200. Okay, beta.
A provision of
Clear, beta?
1,000.
Where we are showing asset side or debit, credit side, debit side. It's very clear. Next.
A provision of 1,000 be credited for doubtful debt.
So when we are going to make the provision and post provision is not given, beta. In the question, just see, everyone just see the question. In the question, no provision is given. Given?
No,
Any?
sir.
No? Okay. Okay, next.
An amount of 1,200 included in sundry creditor by written off as it no longer payable.
Written off, no longer payable. One creditor is there, they didn't ask from you that give the payment. So it's for your profit, your income, then where showing? Where we are showing?
Credit side.
Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay, let's go for the balancing. Total of this side. By loss, A and B divided into 3:2. Then 23,000 into 3/2, 23,000 into 2/5. Okay, then cut this amount. 4, 6, 0, 0, 8, 30, 0, 0, 2, 9. Okay. 13,800 and 9,200. Okay. Then we are going to make the entry. Entry is cash account debit to C capital to goodwill. Here no goodwill is there because it's not coming with the goodwill. Okay. Goodwill is there. We are only taking the 50,000 of capital and then C current account beta. Already understand. If new partner didn't come with the cash of goodwill, so then we are taking the C, our new partner current account, and then to A capital, B capital. So beta, just see the amount of goodwill is 40,000, 24,000 and 16. Okay. On this way, we are going to solve this question. Okay, clear? Everyone? Clear na beta? Then just see the next question. I will only explain next question and you will try to solve. Okay, just see. X and Y is the partners. They are saying profit ratio 60 and 40. 60 and 40 means beta 60% and 40%. It means 6:4. It means 3:2 ratio. Okay, Z entered for 4/15 of the profit. He is coming with the 22 lakh rupees capital and they are not coming with the cash of goodwill. Z shall be withdrawn by X and Y. Okay, what goodwill will come by the Z? That will be withdrawn by the X and Y. It means that goodwill we are just going to calculate of the form. Then we are going to calculate the part of Z goodwill and that goodwill will distribute in the old partner and then last third entry also will be done. Then goodwill valued 1.5 year purchase. Just calculate the average profit and then goodwill. Okay, beta. Y share with the additional capital. Y come with the additional capital. So in capital account we are showing this additional capital. Okay, beta. And here freehold property 2,50,000 and old time only 2 lakh. It means 50,000 increase. Okay, beta. 50,000 increase. So which side we are showing? Which side we are showing? 50,000 increase. It will show on the credit side. Okay. And then plant 80,000. Old value of plant is 1 lakh. But now new value is 80,000. It means 20,000 less. Then 20,000 less loss is there. Thus we are showing which side? Debit side. Okay, beta. Prepaid expense nil. Prepaid expense is the assets that will nil. It means loss. And then we are showing this full prepaid expense on the debit side of revaluation account. And next is the return of debtor, debit side 6,000. And then creditor provide 45,000 in the purchase. So creditor is there, loss then which side? Debit side. Okay, beta. On this way we are going to make the revaluation account. Okay. You will try this. If any problem is there, then next call we will discuss about that. Okay.